Hello students, today I am going to teach you a topic name called addition of fraction. In this topic I am going to teach you how to add unlike fraction. But before starting the lecture, I would like to ask you one thing, or I would like to explain you one thing. What is like and unlike fraction? Like fraction means the fraction whose denominators are same, that is known as a like fraction. Whereas unlike fraction means the fractions whose denominators are different. Here is one example. Here you can see that the example is 1 upon 6 plus 3 upon 4. So in this both the fractions you can see that 6 and 4 means the denominators are different. That's why this type of fraction is known as a unlike fraction. Now adding unlike fraction, how we are going to add this type of fraction? Let's have a look. In this video I'm going to explain you everything step by step. So the first step, when you see your number that is 1 upon 6 plus 3 upon 4. So the first thing that comes in your mind that is these are unlike fraction. So to add unlike fraction, it is very necessary for us to change the unlike fraction into like fraction. And to change that, first of all, we need to find the LCM. Let's find the LCM. To find the LCM, we are going to write the denominator number 6, 4. Now 6 and 4, these both numbers are coming in two table. 2 is a 6 and 2 2s are 4. This 3 and 2 are not coming in any of the table. So we are simply going to write the number one by one. First we are going to write 2. So in 2 table 3 is not coming. So we will carry over 3 as it is downside. 2 ones are 2. After that we are going to take 3. 3 ones are and 1 as it is carried out. So now LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3. That means 2 is a 4 and 4 is a 12. So here we found the LCM, that LCM is 12. After finding the LCM, now we are going to write the statement that LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. After finding the LCM, now we are going to take the first fraction 1 upon 6 and we are going to change the denominator into like fraction by multiplying the denominator such a way that the result comes 12. So we are going to multiply this number 6 with 2, and by which number we multiply the denominator, by same number we have to multiply numerator also. So 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. Then after taking first fraction, we are going to go with second fraction. That's 3 upon 4. So by which number I should multiply 4 to get the answer 12? So multiply it with 3 because 4 3s are 12. By same number I have to multiply numerator also. So 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. So here you can see that we have converted fraction into unlike fraction into like fraction. See here denominator. Here also denominator is 12 and here also denominator is same 12. So now we are going to write this new number that side and we are going to add the numbers. So here you can see our first result is 2 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12. So after writing the new result, we are going to add them. Here you can see that the denominators are same. So now they are changed into like fractions. We are going to write the denominator one time and numerator as it is. That is 2 plus 9. Now 9 plus 2, 11. 11 upon 12. So this is the final answer. So we had seen with the first example that how we have converted unlike fraction into like fraction first by finding the LCM. Then we have multiplied the denominator to make LCM and we have changed the fractions into like fraction. After changing the fraction to like fraction, we simply add them and we got the result. Let's understood more with one more example. So here is one more example. In this second example, I have taken mixed fraction. I have taken a mixed fraction. So you get a clear idea when the mixed fraction comes, then how you can change a mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then you are supposed to change the unlike fraction into like fraction. So the first step here, what we are supposed to do, that is we need to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. by multiplying. Let's have a look. 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So here 13 upon 10 plus 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 upon 2. So now we have converted mixed fraction into improper fraction, and here you can see that it is unlike fraction. So as we did in the previous example, same way we are going to find here LCM. So LCM 10 and 2, and we know that 10 and 2 both are coming in two tables. So we are going to solve this by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 1. Now 5 and 1, this both the numbers are not coming in any of the table, but 5 is coming in 5 table. So we will go with 5. 5 ones are, and your 1 as it is carried out. Now LCM equals to 2 into 5. So the answer is 10. So LCM is 10. So here we are going to write statement that LCM of 10 and 2 is 10. Now we are going to take first fraction and we are going to change the denominators into LCM 10. By which number should I multiply 10 to get 10 as answer? 10 ones are. With same number only I have to multiply numerator also. So my new number is 10 upon 30 upon 10. Now we will take the next fraction, that is 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2. Now by which number should I multiply 2 to get 10 as a result? So 2 5s are 10. And see, by the same number I am going to multiply numerator also. 9 5s are. So 9 5s are 45 upon 10. So I have converted unlike fraction into like fraction by making the denominator same. Now these two new numbers I am going to write that side. 13 upon 10 plus 45 upon 10. So now I have written the new number over here, and you can see that we have already changed unlike fraction into like fraction. Now both the places denominators are same, so we are going to write denominator one time and numerator as it is, that is 13 plus 45. Now 45 plus 13, 58 upon 10. 58 upon 10 is our answer. But still, this is improper fraction. We need to change it into mixed fraction. Now in this also I am going to teach you shortcut. Here we are going to write denominator as it is downside. And we are going to check that in 10 table 58 is not coming, but less than 58, 50 is coming in 10 table. That is 5s. So we are going to write that over here, that is 10 5s are 50. Now the number was 58 and I have made 50 over here. Now out of 58, when 50 is made, then 8 is remaining, that we will write here. So my final answer is 5 8 upon 10. I hope that now we are clear that how to add the unlike fractions by changing them into like fraction using LCM. Thank you.